What if all the oxygen on Earth suddenly disappeared for just 5 seconds?
Within the first instant, every fire would go out, from tiny candles to massive wildfires. Jet engines and gasoline vehicles would immediately stop, unable to burn fuel without oxygen.
Every person and animal would suddenly be unable to breathe the oxygen their bodies depend on. Although 5 seconds wouldn't kill most people, panic and confusion would spread almost instantly.
Aircraft, hospitals, factories, and countless critical systems could begin failing within moments.
Then, after only 5 seconds, oxygen suddenly returns to the atmosphere. But not everything returns to normal, because some events can't simply be reversed. Just 5 seconds without oxygen could change our world forever and remind us how precious every breath truly is.